pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Leave it. No. I came to buy pizza, guys. Come back here. So, guys, I came to buy some pizza, okay? Yeah, I came to actually satisfy my cravings. Though this one is no longer cravings anymore. It is now addiction. Like I'm addicted to pizza. Anyway, let me just get home. I'll tell you more about it. Okay? Not much it oh. I will tell you more about this craving slash addiction. Okay? Yeah. It's no longer funny, and I will try my best to stay away from this addiction. Yeah. So see how puffy my face is. Come here. You don't know our house again. See our new hairstyle. Mama, look here. So guys, this is our new hairstyle, okay? But I had no strength to film when I was making it. Come here, David. Guys, we're back home. Yeah. Where is my pizza? Oh my god, this banana. Why do I bought this banana as well? So here is my pizza. This one that likes pizza, like say tomorrow Monday. So come and eat, guys. By the way, I'm here with my ketchup. Mommy? Go and eat with David. So guys, I promise to tell you why I'm craving pizza. Okay? Like I said earlier, this is no longer craving. This is now an addiction, okay? I was never a pizza kind of person. Like, since I came to this place, I could count how many times I've eaten pizza. Not that I don't like it, but I'm not just a pizza kind of person, okay? So I eat pizza once in a while. So you can see how puffy my face looks. So anytime that time of the month is coming close, you guys, I crave for pizza. This kind of craving I'm talking about is not an ordinary craving, like that kind of craving that if I don't eat it that time, it's as if something, a part of me is missing. It's as if I'm going crazy. It is that bad. It is that bad. So it's always exactly this time of the month. Exactly this time of the month. Once it's this time of the month, boom, I start craving for no other thing than pizza. No other thing than pizza. And you guys, as I'm eating it now, once I take the first bite, second bite, I'm relieved. It's as if they poured cold water on me. I'm relieved. It's an addiction, isn't it? It's no longer craving. It's an addiction. And I'm going to stop it by God's grace next month. From next month on, I'm going to say no to it. It's not just funny. I'm trying to put her to sleep. Asleep.
Much later.
Oh, my baby is ready to go to church. Oh. Mama is ready to go to church. See them, see them. Bye. So guys, come have breakfast with me. This is oats and honey. So guys, the kids have gone to church now, so I want to go and throw the trash away. Okay, the trash people are down. So that's the trash van over there. I'm going to throw the trash away now.
One day, don't cry, don't cry. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Sorrows, bye bye. Tell our sorrows, bye bye. One day, don't cry. There is a better tomorrow, don't cry. Sorrows, bye bye. Tell our sorrows, bye bye. Better tomorrow. There is a no more sorrow, don't cry. Better tomorrow for you and me.
So guys, I just threw away our trash right now. Let me go and wash my hands. Okay.
Several days later.
Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, it's been several days after the last clip you just saw. Okay, and I just want to come here and close the vlog. Yeah, and at the same time I want to show you the products that I ordered here. Yeah, I just want to unbox with you the products that I ordered in an online store here in Mexico. Okay, it's called the store is called Mercado Libre. So Mercado Libre means free market. Yeah, it's just an online store here in Mexico. I don't know if it's available in other countries. Okay, I am not aware of that, but I know it's an online store here in Mexico. So I ordered for these things. Okay, one thing I like about this store is their quick service. I mean, the way they deliver so quickly. When I say so quickly, like you can order something today and you also get it today. So this is the handwork of David. He has been tampering he has been tampering with it. I told you guys, this boy does not allow my package to rest. So here are the few things that I ordered. Okay, wow, this is a Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner. Okay, a lot of people have testified about this particular product, so I just want to try it. Oh my god, this one came in smaller size. So this one is Grow Strong. It's also a Cantu product. Okay, shampoo cap for my baby. Okay, I'll show it. Okay, she thinks it's a cap. I love the fact that it has adjustments. So that's that. So this is the last one, guys. It's a soya beans, a soya milk for my babies. Okay, yeah, I usually buy it from Mercado Libre too. Okay, they call it leche de soya for babies. Okay, in case you're in Mexico and you want to try it out, it is very, very good. This is 1 kg, and this 1 kg is sold for 142 pesos. Okay, yeah, I've been looking for this in the market, but I can't seem to find it. So what I do is I order it from Mercado Libre, and they deliver it so fast. The one we have in the house is about to finish. That's why I ordered for this one. So that's basically all I ordered from Mercado Libre. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched up till now, and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Turn your bell notification on so that whenever I upload another video, you'll be notified about it. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.